If you want your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL to recognize music around you, like over here as you can see on the lock screen, then in that case what you need to do is first of all we need to open settings. We're gonna go to settings in our phone. Let me actually start from the beginning. There we go. Now in here we're gonna choose sound and vibration, and then in here if you scroll down you should be able to find now playing. This is the feature that we can use in order to recognize music. Of course we can tap on the switcher to turn it on. We can also enhance now playing, so that we can use Google search to identify songs not recognized by your device and provide album artwork as well. So of course we can turn it on if you want to. And after that, as you can see over here, once you enable these options, you might be able to see search button on the lock screen. Without this feature, if there is like any song being played, then you will just see the title of the song on the lock screen, just like you saw at the beginning of this video. And also in addition to that, you can go to the now playing history over here. You can also add the now playing option to the home screen if this pops up, and you should be able to find the history in here. And if you add the option, then you can just jump to the history like this. So you have quicker access to the list of recognized songs. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.